Welcome to Astound Mobile. Let's get you set up for success. In this video, we're going to show you how and where to insert a SIM card in the back of your Android phone. Before we begin, make sure your phone is compatible with the Astound mobile network. Make sure you've activated your new SIM card. And finally, please make sure your phone is turned off. Okay, let's get started. First, remove the back cover of your Android phone. Then, very carefully, take the battery out. This should reveal the SIM card tray. If you don't see the tray, the SIM card could be on the side of your Android phone. If your SIM card is on the side of your phone, you'll need to watch a different video. You'll find that video linked in the description below. Okay, you've removed the back cover of your Android phone and revealed the SIM card. Now, find the right sized SIM card you're going to need. Punch out the Astound mobile SIM card. Carefully, using your fingers. Next, place your new Astound mobile SIM card into the tray, like so. The corners should line up perfectly. Go ahead and put the battery and the back cover of your phone back in place. Task completed. By the way, data and text settings are automatically sent to your phone once a SIM card is inserted or eSIM is configured. That's a separate video, and you'll find it in the video description below. Thanks for watching and choosing Astound Mobile.